Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Audi A4 B8 2.7 TDI. The serpentine belt on this engine is located on the front of the engine, right there. This is the tensioner right there. And I need to loosen the tensioner in order to remove the belt. I'm going to be using a socket in this size to loosen the tensioner. And these are all the pulleys and the belt and how the belt goes around all the pulleys. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next, we're going to turn the tensioner to get the belt loose so that we can remove it. We need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to remove the belt. And that's the belt off. Now we can remove the belt and put on the new belt. Okay, now I'm going to put the belt back in its position. We make sure we go around the pulleys in the right way, otherwise the belt is not gonna fit or it's gonna be loose. After we put it around all the pulleys, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to put the belt on the last pulley. The last pulley that we should be putting the belt on is the parasitic pulley. Okay, now we're going to turn the tensioner clockwise to be able to put the belt on the last pulley. Okay, that's the belt on now. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for watching.